Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson's catchphrase, "If you smell tongue flick, LLLL what The Rock is cooking," was one of life's great mysteries. I asked my brother, my parents, my teachers, what is he cooking? The 31st of March 2016.
Take our lead.
You can't see me. John Cena's best-known catchphrase, meanwhile, is "You can't see me," a signature taunt that the actor-wrestler usually teams with an open-handed wave in front of his face. 14 July 2020.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Johnson might have his own chef to cook delicious meals for him and his family, but the superstar loves to show off his own cooking skills in the kitchen. As busy as he is, Johnson doesn't hold back and makes sure he eats plenty each day. The star shows off his food almost as much as his family. 10 October 2019.
Let's help you make your mark.
Johnson was a professional wrestler with WWF, WWE from 1996 to 2004, back before his acting career took off. As a wrestler, his well-known catchphrase was, "Can you smell what The Rock is cooking?" Until now, we never knew just what it was Johnson wanted us to smell. But now, thanks to Twitter, all has been revealed. 22 October 2017.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.